good afternoon folks, it's Paulie from Biking Life, making my way home on this Tuesday afternoon. It is 4:10 and I'm just getting onto the A19 and I have round about 24 miles to go to get home. And as you can tell, I'm just taking it nice and steady. Sometimes it's nice just to have a nice steady ride home, isn't it? And not rush whatsoever. Now, as you notice, I haven't got the big screen on. I've only got my little screen on, and it's the clear one as well. Now, earlier this morning, there's a fair bit of dust round this way, but earlier this morning I made a video, and it was what you call a tester video, and it was to see whether this screen would be okay to use in conjunction with the audio and that. Right, it is now bloody dusty here, dear me. Bloody hell. Oh, dear me. So I wanted to know whether actually, you know, having this screen on would affect the audio and make the audio too windy. Well, it hasn't. I mean, yes, there's an increase in wind noise, but the audio is still acceptable. Obviously, you're going to get parts where it is really windy, but it's not too bad. And to be honest with you, I just need to slow down a little bit. The less speed you're going, the less wind there is. It is 20 degrees. As I say, I'm sticking to my rules. I decided I wanted to see if I could get a lot more out of the tank than I normally do. And so that is why I'm doing these speeds. So you don't have to watch it if you don't want to, my friends. I could well understand that. And it has made a massive difference just having that little screen on, because I can see clearly. My vision's not impeded in any shape or form. It's just a win-win-win. And when I'm actually over the moors and stuff like that, and I'm only riding slow anyway, it's nice. Now, I did a temporary repair on these gloves, and I also cut, as you can see, the long part off and left them that short, because I'm getting rid of them anyway, and I just wanted to see how these are in that sort of length, and they are not bad at all. So they work fine actually, so I will use them until I don't need to use them anymore. So we're doing 60 miles an hour, folks, and hopefully you guys can still hear me okay. It's always a worry for a motor vlogger, just because what he doesn't want to do is create content that's going to be no good and you can't really hear what he's saying. And I must admit, I do like the actual smaller screen on my bike. I don't mind the tall screen, and I thought I'd got used to it, and I had, but at the same time, especially when I was out with Derek the other day, I'd noticed sometimes it was obscuring my vision, which is never a good thing when you're riding a bike. You need to have maximum vision, and so that's why I've decided to give this a little try, and it seems to be doing all right, so hopefully it's not too bad. So in essence, really, this route here that I'm doing now at home is another test of this screen to see if this morning's video wasn't just a fluke and that the audio is really acceptable. I like to do a couple of test runs, and hopefully it's not too bad, but we'll see, won't we? I was pleasantly surprised, because I did say that when I get to work the audio will be shite, and it wasn't. I have to eat my own words, really. Another reason as well, as you all know, that screen was perfect. but it was right in your face. And although you couldn't tell from the actual camera angle, the top of the screen was in my eye line quite a lot. And also the screen was very dark. Now as you look at this one, it's a clear screen. It's one I was given when I bought the bike, and I've never ever put it on until today, and I quite like it. I have a black one that's just about the same size, and although it's a decent screen, the black one, you can't see through it, say, and I want to give you maximum vision, so you're seeing all through this and everything, and hopefully you can hear me clearly enough. Oh yeah, you're going to hear some more wind, but you can still hear me talking clearly enough, and that's what I'm after. So today's test, this afternoon's test, is a better test because it is a lot more windier on my way home than it was this morning. I mean, you must admit, this screen is better for your viewing pleasure, isn't it? You can see more. It's not obscuring your vision. We could pan around and we could see a hell of a lot more. I'll tell you what, when that if I put this up back on the wind's in my face then, and you certainly do cool down, which is ideal for when it's red hot. I had the helmet in the full face position this morning, and to be honest with you, I could hear bloody whistling, and he was doing my nappering. So I won't be using that unless it's raining. But then if it's raining, I won't be making many vlogs in the rain and stuff like that. And I look at I look at my work rate on here, and it is quite a lot. You get quite a lot of videos from me, nearly one every day. Yes, I do miss the odd day here and there, but my work rate is actually a lot more than most motor vloggers, which, you know, it's pretty good, that. Oh, it's lovely, this. It is, I mean, I must admit, I am thoroughly enjoying not having that big screen on. And, you know, I mean, when I go out on Saturday, I will attempt with, because I'm going out for a ride with Derek again, he's coming up. So I will attempt to make a vlog. Now, I'm not going to worry needlessly about it, and I'm just going to see what happens when I get back and see if it's usable. I might even attempt to go through, hang on, what's going on here? Oh dear, what is happening here? God knows what's happening. But I'm certainly glad I'm on the bike. Yeah, it's a hell of a tailback, isn't there? Yes, we certainly got through that sharpish. So anyway, this has just been a little tester, folks. I hope you've enjoyed the last few videos, and I'll say bye for now, my friends. I've been Paul from Biking Life. Bye for now. Bye.